Do you know what's crazy? It's how timeshares have changed to points programs now. What does that even mean?
So points are basically an allotment of monies every single year that you get for the rest of your life. Say that your points are worth 20 grand, you pay off the 20 grand in 10 years, you're just left the maintenance, but you still have your points every single year. Um, think about a website like Expedia, but like 1/8 of the inventory that you have to book 10 months out for. That's basically what you're using your points for. You're trying to go specific areas on their website for a certain amount of days, and you're trying to go through and see how many points are for those actual weeks, and then you're seeing how much you owe on top of it if you want to go over that amount. Again, they're difficult to use. You're competing against millions of other members, and even for their resorts, I mean, 60% of the resorts are just for marketing purposes and for booking. You're still only having access to 40% of those resorts with a million other owners. So again, you do get to book 9 to 10 months out and see if that allotment of points matches for where you want to go and how many days you want to go then. And yeah, of course, if you guys do want to get out of your timeshare, you can send us a DM. We do point systems, and then just make sure you guys aren't reaching out to a sales team asking them how to use your timeshare efficiently, because they'll just try to basically sell you more points. Happens every single time.